So let's get the compressor out of the old AC condenser. Here I'm just using a grinder. Then let's cut all the copper connections, including the electrical wires or connections. So there you have it, the compressor. I also took the capacitor for the compressor to work. So there is the connection from the capillary to discharge pipe. So let's just test it if it's working. And there you go, the unit's still working. It's charging air and sucking air. So let's heat up this pipe a little bit so I can bend it. Yeah, I'm just using a mop gas. And now we can plug the opening at the suction pipe. So the air would only go through the access bulb. And this access bulb is where you connect a gauge manifold, form a vacuum procedure of an AC system. So there you have it, it's plugged. You can also use this unit as a pressure source leak to leak test an AC unit. Here I would install a shutoff bulb in the discharge pipe. There you have it. I also tack weld the clamp of the capacitor into the compressor's body. So there you have it, your vacuum pump, and you can use this also as a pressure source. Just plug it in the power source and you're ready to go.